Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told that if 8x minus 4 is equal to 6x minus 10, find the value of 5x. So this is a very simple question involving equations. Solving an equation simply means finding the value of the variable, which is x, that makes the left side and the right side equal. But we are not just solving the equation, we're expected to find the value of 5x. So let's solve together. So solution. So we have 8x minus 4 is equal to 6x minus 10. So the first thing we do is bring like terms together. We have 8x over here, we have 6x over here. So we bring them together. So moving 6x to the left, the invisible positive sign in front of 6x is going to change to negative. So we're going to have 8x minus 6x. And then here we have a constant, here we have a constant, numbers without variables. So we're going to move minus 4 to the right. Moving it to the right, the negative sign is going to change to positive. So this gives us equal to minus 10 plus 4. So 8x minus 6x is going to give us 2x is equal to minus 10 plus 4 is going to give us minus 6. So at this point, we need to find the value of x. Therefore, we divide both sides by 2. So we divide here by 2. We divide here by 2. 2 cancels out 2 here. We have x is equal to minus 6 divided by 2 is going to give us minus 3. So we've been able to solve this equation here. But our target is not just solving the equation. We need to find the value of 5x. So since we know that x is equal to minus 3, 5x will become 5 multiplied by minus 3. So 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by negative 3. And this will give us 5x is equal to negative 15. This is the simple answer to this question. If you want to learn more about equations, algebra, all you need to do is go to my profile here on TikTok, click the link on my bio, and it will take you to all the previous detailed and free lessons that I've done on TikTok. So you're going to see all the lessons I've done on basic algebra. You're also going to see all the lessons that I've done on equations, quadratic and simultaneous equations, 2D shapes, and so on. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.